With our OAK4 cameras, it's easier than ever to get started with AI on the edge. The easiest way to set up the camera is by connecting to a PoE plus switch with the cable included in the box. OAK4 cameras consume up to 25 watts of power, so here we're using power over Ethernet 30-watt switch. We recommend having the switch connected to the internet to get the best experience. Solid blue light means that the device is ready. Let's connect to the camera with our OAK viewer. You can download it from our website linked on the card included in the box and in the description below. OAK Viewer is a desktop GUI application with an intuitive, sleek design that lets you easily visualize camera streams and interact with the device. It even allows the control of AI models deployed on the camera. You can easily switch between various neural networks all on the UI without typing a single line of code. This makes it very simple to try them out and see what fits best for your use case. Let's see how to deploy an example app using our oakctl command line tool. Follow the link on the card to get to our Getting Started website. Then navigate to Software, oakctl under OAK Apps, and use this command to install oakctl command line tool. Connect to the camera using oakctl connect command. Now clone OAK examples repository from GitHub. It contains many examples which can help you get started with your own app. Navigate to Generic Example for Neural Networks and execute oakctl app run to run the application. We can connect to the camera through a web browser by searching for camera IP on port 8082. The basic neural network example is now deployed and running on the camera. Make sure to explore our other Getting Started videos.